In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change WhatsApp number without losing chats. If you're moving to a new phone number and want to keep all your conversations, media, and groups exactly where they are, this is the official way to do it using WhatsApp's change number feature. Follow along carefully and you'll be switched over in just a few minutes. Start by making sure your new phone number is active and can receive SMS or phone calls. If you're switching SIM cards, insert the new SIM into your phone, turn the phone back on, and confirm you can get a text or a call on that number. You'll need this to receive WhatsApp's verification code. Now open WhatsApp. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. On iPhone, go straight to the Settings tab at the bottom right. From there, head into Settings, then Account, and choose Change Number. This built-in tool moves your WhatsApp account information from your old number to your new one while keeping your chat history on the same device. Tap Next to begin. You'll see two fields, one for your old number and one for your new number. Enter both in full international format. That means start with the plus sign, then your country code, followed by the rest of the number with no leading zeros. Double check both entries for typos. Getting the country code and digits exactly right is essential for verification. Tap Next again. Here, WhatsApp lets you choose whether to notify your contacts about your new number. You can opt to notify all contacts, only contacts you select, or no one at all. Groups you're in will automatically see that your number changed, regardless of what you pick, so your group chats stay connected without any extra work. When you're ready, tap Done. WhatsApp will send a 6-digit verification code to your new number by SMS, or you can choose a voice call if SMS doesn't arrive. Make sure you have a stable signal, then enter the code as soon as you receive it. Once verified, your WhatsApp account is officially moved to the new number. Your existing chats, media, and settings remain on your phone, and your groups continue as normal, only your number has changed. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and try the resend option or choose the call method. After verification, you're all set. You've successfully changed your WhatsApp number without losing any chats. Thanks for watching and enjoy your seamless transition to your new number.